Kita telah mendarat di lapangan terbang Niri. Bagi tujuan keselamatan, anda dihendaki berada di tempat duduk sehingga isyarat pasangan kelina dipadamkan dan pesawat berhenti sebentar. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas. Pastikan semua barangan kemudian anda telah diambil. Anda dibenarkan memasang telefon bimbit selepas tanda isyarat pasangan tali kelina dipadamkan. Kapten Lam dan anak-anak kapal mengucapkan terima kasih kerana memilih Malaysia Airlines yang merupakan ahli One World. Semoga bertemu lagi dalam penerbangan yang akan datang. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Niri Airport. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched on. Do be careful whenever you open the overhead compartment. Kindly ensure you do not leave any of your personal items behind. You may use your mobile phones after the seatbelt sign is switched off. Captain Plum and the rest of the crew would like to thank you for choosing Malaysia Airlines, a member of One World Alliance. We look forward to seeing you again and have a pleasant day.